Welcome to the channel, everybody, and the very first ever Rigs and Roast here at the Roastery in Kansas City. We've got the van here, as we call it, Serenity, and we've got a couple Toyotas already here. We got a Ford Raptor and a Bronco Raptor. Got a couple Land Rovers here already. Really cool. I think it's not even hasn't technically started yet per se, and we've got 6 other people here, and just for a first ever. Just kind of getting a little word of mouth for a couple weeks. Not too bad. Not too bad. Thanks for joining me, guys. My name is Corey Pratt, and this is Craving Cars. You're ready to go in, what, 30 seconds that was?
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, it's been a pretty good turnout. As a matter of fact, check that out. The new Bronco Raptor. Haven't even seen one on the road, and there's one. Or is that 2? How about that, huh? Which one you like better? You like the blue Raptor or the orange one? It's hard to decide. I might go for the orange because that guy there is going for the blue. So I can't pick the same one he's got. Hey man, this has been actually it's been short. I know I haven't talked a whole lot, but had some really cool Land Rovers coming out. We've had some really cool Jeeps show up. We've had the Raptors, the Raptor Broncos I just mentioned before. We've got some really cool Toyotas that showed up. I mean, we really have had a pretty good amount of little stuff that showed up. Not to mention, and another van. Had a cool little build in there show up, and we've got people that have things that aren't done. It's in the process. They're really anticipating something like this happening again, so they can bring the rig out when they get it all finished up. And a lot of work in progress stuff. But that's what's cool. People are coming out here just to get ideas off of other people's builds, and that's what this was kind of all about. You know, let's talk. We're all like-minded. It doesn't matter whether we're driving Jeeps or Toyotas or Land Rovers or vans. We're all in the same category of things that we like. You know, we're overland or off-roading. Whether you like just do the day trips in the off-road parks or rock crawling, or you go on long journeys and you're staying in your vehicle, or you're camping or in your van the whole time. It's all really cool. It's really cool. But thank you for everybody coming out. It's after 10. It's actually going a little bit long, but that's fine. It's all good. But we got people right there kind of buttoning up, getting ready to get out here ourselves. I'm hoping to do this again soon. I think this was pretty good. Let me know in the comments below. How often would you think this would be something you want to do together? What other ideas would you like? Or maybe some of the locations that we can switch this. It doesn't always have to be here. We can move this around. But I think it was really fun. And yeah, tell everybody. It'd be cool. It'd be fun. Show this video. Share it. Like, subscribe to the channel. But more importantly, remember, to all you cravers out there, keep craving. Well, it's been a pretty good turnout so far. As a matter of fact, so good that, check that out. The brand new Bronco Raptor. I'm sorry, I can't even say that right. Bronco. Golly. Bronco Echo, vad är det? Det är som har så här.